Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm just out for a walk. It's early Sunday morning, and this ditch is on land that my father owned. We don't have it anymore, but when I was little, on the other side of this ditch, some friends of mine and myself, we had a little camp there, and we'd get over there. We'd hang out for a day if we weren't having to work or do some chores or whatever. But one thing we used to do if we had dove we'd killed or squirrels or rabbits too, we'd make a little fire and we'd cook whatever we had just over open fire. They used to be some of the best food too. And but see Bo, this water's been like a magnet to him. But all this land going back that way, my father he owned 226 acres, and it was part of a King's grant that went to my great great granddaddy. I'd have to look that up. I may be missing a great in there. I don't think I am though. But they've got corn planted in it this year. And over there used to be a streak of woods, and the family who were friends of mine, they had hogs over there in those woods. And but we'd hunt rabbit. There was plenty of rabbit around here at the time. Not so much now, but still a lot of squirrel. And we'll eat a squirrel. But there are many happy days, boys. We taking this ditch here, we'd get nets, and there was a guy who'd pay us for crayfish. And what you'd have to do, like get up there up under that bank and get the net, and you get crayfish. Of course, there are water moccasins in here too, so we had to be careful about them. But luckily, the good Lord looked after us, and none of us ever got bit. And we did see snakes here, and there used to be a bunch of turtles in here. I imagine there still are, but I haven't seen any in a while. But whenever I'd catch them when I was little, I'd bring them here and put them in here like I was raising turtles in here. But there are red-fin perch in here. I had some crayfish traps in here and did pretty good with the traps. I was getting them to fish with, and I may put some in here for this week. I'm gonna be working at my cousin's. He lives on the river, and I may catch some crayfish and carry down there and put on some limb lines at his place. And I believe I'll do that. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.